little girl, you can mess with me if you wanted to. This is fancy, this is red bottoms, this is bloody shoes. Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick cutting me. So don't get comfortable, look. I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you out of speak, that means I'll mess with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, girl. I make bloody moves, no cheat the street. Go to what to who? Let's find out and see. Shabba B, you know where I'm at, you know where I'll be. You win the club just to party. I'm there, I get paid to see. I be in and out and back so much, I know they're tired of me. Honestly, don't give a hell about who in front of me. Drop 2 mixtapes, 6 months, one girl working as hard as me. I don't bother with these girls, don't let these girls bother me. They see pictures, they say go, girl, I'm who they trying to be. Look, I might just chill on some bed, I might just chill with your boo, I might just chill on your bed. My body feel like a lake, he wanna swim with his face. I'm like, okay, I let him do what he want. He buy me East Celebrons with a new whip. When I go back to the heart, I got a shot in the front. I'm the hardest in the streets. No, you probably heard of me. Got some bag and fix my teeth. Hope you judge, no, it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these girls be mad at me. Their baby daddy run up and say, little girl, you can mess with me if you wanted to. These is fancy, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. In the store, I can get them both. I wanna choose and I'm quick. Call my competition off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now, I make money moves. Say I don't gotta dance, I make money moves. If I see you on the street, that means I'll mess with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, girl. I make bloody moves. If you get popped, you a groupie, you a hot. Don't you come around my way, you can't hang around my block. And that just take my content out, I'm rich, I'm rich, I'm rich. Put my hands up on my hip, I bet you dip, she dip, he dip. Look, I get the money and go. This shit is hot like a stove. My body glitter is gold. Can I lift up in a row? I just a roll in a row. I just came up in a rank. I need to fill up the tank. No, I need to fill up the safe. I need to let all these girls know that none of them niggas is safe. I go to Indian state. Only the real can relate. I used to live in a peace. Now it's a crib with the gates. Rolling and trying to stay. Had to let these judges know. Just in case these judges forgot. I just went and checked the thing. Another tank from all the tax. A little girl, you can mess with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is bloody shoes. In the store, I can get them both. I wanna choose. And the quick, come the nigga off the boat. Comfortable. Oh,
When the audience them say about shavelle, Adam, what does the judges say about the lady shavelle?
Is first. So shavelle. Let me look in your eyes, cause you're going to fuck us something. I would prefer, cause you have awesome breath control, right? And you did your thing. And yeah, run on again. You did your thing. I would be so impressed if you could have put some lyrics in there where you make up. Seeing that you're so bad with the whole rap thing, it really bring off the performance tonight. I know say everybody will have yeah, can you include the judges? It would be nice if you say tiny tots. Yeah, you say Mona Scott. I don't know Mona Scott, but yeah, you can get a 7 from me because I wish you had used your own lyrics. It would be awesome. But great performance. I love it. You come out well confident tonight, so I appreciate that. Next week, see you with some more original, right?
Yes, shavelle. Well, seems like you push yourself to be a top contender, you know? Yeah, love everything we're going. But we promote original content. So, we'd love to hear something from you. You understand? We don't expect something different, because where you come with last week, the poetry or the poetry, yeah, and then you come straight not hip hop, box off your face. Yeah, but I love how you angle it and engage with everybody.
You understand? We did the song a while ago. You draw with E in a while ago. So yeah man, you do good, and is 8 from me.
Alright, the little that I got, yes, it's a little cream. I go on right here, so. I love it, I won't give you a score, but I love it. One thing I think you should do though, dress the part if you're doing hip hop. Dress the part, the hip hop, rap, dress the part.
You see right now tonight, me no business with nobody wants to say a 9 me a give. Because I am so impressed by your growth as it relates to your confidence and that push, that drive, alright? So, come with your own lyrics next week and probably you'll be walking away with 10s. Next judge.
Yeah, I'm proud of you, man. I take the tune and do it like a year. And you know, easy. You know, see it.